Standard size amplifier built-in photoelectric sensor, Z4 series. Industry standard size and IO-Link compatible. IO-Link is a technology that connects sensors and actuators to field networks with digital signals. Z4 series is the IO-Link compatible sensor. The threshold value, as well as the received light amount, can be obtained in real time, and the maintenance period can be predicted. Since Z4B series is a distance setting sensor, it's possible to obtain distance values, relative values. It can also obtain a variety of device data, such as emitter off, threshold value, operating hours, and maintenance forecasts. Scan here for more information on Z4 series standard size amplifier built-in photoelectric sensors.